Sidlak? Batanon? Praise the Lord. Alright, so karon. Sige, unsa man natong trivia. Okay, sige, kinsa ang first na makari sa tubangan, palihog ko sa microphone. Hindi na siya trivia. Kuha na gina siya, challenge. Na mic, okay. Ang first na makarecite sa shortest Bible verse. Come on. Ayan na, Kadalgo. You're done. You're done. Give chance to others. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Don't be shy. Oh, dara. Yes.
John 11:35, Jesus wept.
All right. Congratulations. Nya murag ako sa mo premyo ani pastora. Utangan palihog kog list down. Mark, what's your name? Mimi. All right. Sige, naapagod. Okay. Kinsay maka-name sa only daughter ni Jacob. So there are 12 tribes of Israel, right? And there's a sister. Kinsa man to?
Dina.
Yes, Dina. What's her name?
Giselle.
Giselle. Thank you. Okay, Mark. Ato nang ilista itong mga utang, ha? Okay, very good. So si Dina ang daughter ni Jacob. Okay? So there are 12 tribes and at the same time, nasa siya isa ka anak na babae. Okay, next. Who can name the 3 friends of Daniel? Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, wait, careful lang. Kuya Wanda. Come on. Napay chance. Ay, unsa mang gyud. Sige, kanilang.
Si Michelle, si Shadrach.
And?
Shadrach.
And?
Abednego.
Abednego. Correct. Unsa ito yung name ni mo, darling? Shalani. Okay. Pastora, nanamoy utang 150, ha?
Okay, so thank you, Life Coach Honey. Okay, so ganan pa mo another presentation? Yes, okay, so atong i-welcome ang
Everlasting God.
God Community Church. Ato taga Masipang Pakpak. Okay,